Hello! Hey learner! Welcome to Mama Does It All. So, we have seen almost all the 44 phonics sounds in English language. And from the last lesson, we have started with the high frequency words from the Dolch list. So, in this lesson, we are going to see the next high frequency words from the 220 Dolch high frequency words. I have created these teeny weeny lessons to learn high frequency words through teeny weeny sentences. Make sure you observe the spellings really carefully. Alright, let's go. Up, up, U-P, up. The balloon is flying up. Down, D-O-W-N, down. An apple is falling down. Here, here, H-E-R-E, here. Come here. Go, go, G-O, go. Can I go with you? Come, come, C-O-M-E, come. You can come with me. Big, big, B-I-G, big. This is a big bear. For, for, F-O-R, for. I have got some water for you. See, see, S-E-E, see. I can see a rainbow. Run, run, R-U-N, run. Tina can run very fast. And, A-N-D, and. Renu and I are best friends. Away, away, A-W-A-Y, away. The bird flew away. Good job! That wasn't so difficult, eh? Great! Let's meet in the next lesson to see the last part of pre-primer high frequency words. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.